Okay, so Marcus buys, Marcos, not my Marcus, 2 bottle water, 3 bottle of lemonade. So water, you want to use W or you want to use X? W. Lemonade, we use L. Okay, so Marcos bought 2 bottles of water, 3 bottles of lemonade. Total cost is 360. So I'm just going to use Sen. I'm going to use Sen, 360. So you can, sorry, this is 2 bottles. So I can't do anything. I'll leave this as equation number 1. The cost of 1 bottle, 25 cents more than water. So lemonade minus water equals 25 cents. So now up to you. You want to use substitution or elimination? Okay, elimination you have the times 2. So I get 2L minus 2W equals 50. Why do I times? So I get W the same. So I take equation 1 plus 2. So when you add up, what happened to your W? Disappear, right? So 3 lemonade is 410. Lemonade is, it's very ugly, right? Is there a mistake? 25 cents. It's very ugly. Oh, sorry, this is 5. I made a mistake. It's not ugly. It's 5, right? So it's 85 cents. Yeah, correct. 82 cents, sorry. 82 cents, right? So lemonade is 82 cents in, say, 2 lah. Okay, so 2. In fact, I call this equation 2 is easier. This is equation 3. 1 plus 3 sub in 2. Lemonade is 82. Water I don't know. 25 cents. Water is 57 cents. Right? Okay, that's all. So you want to find the cost of 1 bottle is 57 cents. Okay, B. Diagram shows 2. First rectangle, second rectangle. Alright? The first rectangle, x by y, has area of 5. The second rectangle measure x plus 2 by y has area of 6. Alright? So when y plus y is 1, show that this is true. Okay. So we need to form 2 equations. First, okay, maybe I work out. The first area is xy. The area is 5. The second one is capital Y times x plus 2. The area is 6. So you notice that in this equation, what happened is you do not have y. You're supposed to have x. So what I have to do is to make y as a subject. X, capital Y as a subject. Can you see that? So, and then they say big Y plus small y. Well, small y plus big Y is 1. So 5x plus 6 over x plus 2, the result is 1. So cross multiply 5x plus 10 plus 6x, x squared plus 2x, the result is 1. So 11x plus 2x, x squared minus 9x minus 10 equals 0. Okay, then factorize this. When you factorize, what do you get? 10 and 1 minus and plus, and then solve it. X is more than 0. X cannot be negative. X must be 10. So if x is 10, what's your y? If x is 10, y is 5 over 10, which is half or 0.5. We are finding the perimeter for the first one. The Roman 3, your perimeter is 2x plus 2y, answer 21.